Hello, and welcome to the Appliance Corner. You've caught me on laundry day, and I'm going to show you a couple of uses for laundry bags. Many of you may not know they even exist. You can pick them up at your local retailer, and they do a lot of good for your laundry. They do a lot of good for your washing machine as well. You can wash anything and everything in a laundry bag, and here are some really good uses for them. I've got a pair of shoes in here. It helps them keep together without clunking around. You can just zip it up, toss those in. Now I recommend that you wash your shoes by themselves because they will clunk around with a lot of other clothes. But for demonstrations, we're just gonna put everything in. I've got a nice, this is my wife's workout shirt. And you don't want these little tassels getting tangled and everything. Put it in your bag, zip it up. It's got this nice mesh in it. It will allow water and everything to go in without letting the mesh get tangled in the agitator, in pants, anything that's in there. If you have a little snag on your drum, it'll keep it from getting caught in that. And I have several different sizes of bag. I recommend that you get a lot of different sizes. You don't want to overload the bags. You want there to be plenty of room for the clothing to move around inside. I have a pair of my Fisherman Pants, we call them. I put them in there just because of this string. It's gotten tied up a lot of times. They do make, these are specific for bras. It's kind of curved to help protect the shape of the bra. I've got a couple of those. I have a small one for delicates and undergarments. You don't want to get those snagged on anything. My wife has a lovely sundress. And you want to keep all these frills and everything protected from anything that might get in contact with it. The patterns on your printed shirts can get damaged pretty easily. Just toss it in the bag, zip it up, don't have to worry about it. And then everything will be separate and still in the same load, and the agitator will not get caught on anything because the bag's protected. And that's the great uses for laundry bags. They save your clothes. They make it easier to pull things out that you want dried, that you don't want dried. All my wife's workout clothes get put in bags and washed, and it saves us a lot of time. Thank you very much, and please like our page, subscribe to us, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope that you find a use for your laundry bags.